once again. Big Elvis with you. We got the prize package shipped off, and Mar should be getting that at any time. Shipped it to Canada. Got a few things going on. Went to some different car shows. I didn't get some stuff filmed from this last car show, and I apologize for those of you who like it, but we've got the Street Machine Nationals coming up this coming weekend, which will be, I think it's the 4th, 5th, and 6th at DuQuoin, Illinois. If anybody's interested and are close and can come to it, it is the last Street Machine Nationals going to be at DuQuoin. This is, they're saying, the final year. So I entered the T-Bird. We're going to try to get some film of some different things that's going on. There'll be a lot of pro street cars there. As long as the weather holds out good, we should have a great weekend. The guy at one of the shows brought me 289 emblems, and I'm sure they're off of probably a Mustang. They are authentic Ford pieces. You can see there the Ford emblem and the Ford part number. Don't know for sure how you guess the year. I'm guessing they're off of a Mustang. They could be off of several different cars from the early 60s that use that 289. Today, well, let's get into some things. I got several things we haven't opened that I've been wanting to open. So let's just check it out, shall we? How about we just do a transport set? Haven't opened up a transport set in a while. So there is the Mercedes 300 SLR race car with that crazy Mercedes-Benz Rennie Transport. We've got the Aero Lift truck with the 24 RTR Spec 5 Mustang. And I'm sure that's Von Gittin Jr. And then we do have the ramp truck with the Corvair Yanko Stinger. So let's just start it out with those. Of course, you can see the card art is amazing, as always. Hot Wheels card art department is wonderful. So we have seen this truck before, and I guess if you're a true Mercedes-Benz fan, you'll probably like that truck. It is truly an oddball. We'll just get it up here and out of the way right now. But it does have the tires space underneath. Of course, it is metal on metal. 2023 copyright date, and it is the Bloss Wander. I can't speak German, but that's what it is there. Pretty cool. Cab way over the wheels. Let's just get you a close-up of the crazy cab. Looks like it's missing a set of wheels, but no, that's how it was made. You can look them up. They are out there. Metal body, metal base. The ramp itself is plastic and appears not to move. But that's okay. But it is a heavy vehicle. This is what I was truly after, though. 300 SLR. Racing livery, of course, number 722. Very cool. Got some painted seats, look almost like a plaid pattern. There's the front end, or the interior, sorry. And there's the front end. Nice. This is done very well. I like this. It is heavy. Of course, you know, metal on metal. Here is your information. So it is copyrighted. It don't show the year of copyright. Just that it's copyrighted by Mattel. But very cool. Very neat. Nostalgic race car. And speaking of another nostalgic race car, we're going to go right into the Chevrolet. And this I think it's cool. I'm glad that they're finally doing some actual licensed trucks, because, you know, it just makes it more realistic. So there is the Yanko Chevrolet truck. Very sweet. Of course, your ramp is plastic. Metal bottom, metal cab. And this was first copyrighted in 22. I know I've got a couple of these now. Nice clear graphics on the back. Nice clear graphics on the front. Beautiful little truck. I like that. That's one of my favorite years of Chevrolet, is that. Now we have that Stinger Corvair done up in the race livery. I do like it. I do like it. Nice, clean graphics. Not all dot matrixy, thank goodness. Got the headlights taped up. And there's your metal on metal. And this one, it is copyrighted. It says 2021. I knew that little Corvair came out before, but I do like it in the race livery. Very, very nice. Make sure you guys tell me which one is your favorite. And now we're going to get into the RTR Spec 5 Mustang. And they put it on that Aero truck, which, you know, it's all right. Of course, it is metal on metal. It's been around for a while. 2018. The coolest thing with these trucks is the beds do slide. So if you want to act like you're loading and unloading, it makes it nice to do that. Clicks into place. There's your taillights. Good RTR graphics all the way around. I'm not even going to put it up there. You've seen that many times before. But the Mustang, the RTR Spec 5. And this is a part of Von Gittin Jr. Race deal. And I don't know if this is his car. Looks like there is a signature there at the top, but it's so small, so tiny, I cannot make it out. But these Von Gittin Jr. cars, these RTR cars, man, they are just so fun. And of course, right there on the front, fun haver. And if you like the world of drifting, you know exactly who I'm talking about. You can see the roll bar there inside. And the RTR across the back. The vented windows. Mustang Spec 5. RTR. So there you have it. There's our three cars. You tell me what you think. Do you enjoy the team transports? And which one of those up there would be your favorite? All right, Big Elvis, we're out. Make sure you like and subscribe. And take care of each other out there.